Install Laravel. Simple. Simply, we are going to install the Laravel, the PHP framework in this video. Before that, we need to download the composer. As you can see, download composer. This is what I have typed on the Google, and it showed me the first link with the URL getcomposer.org. So you will see download and run composer setup.exe. You have to click it. Now this time it is going to download the exe file which will help you to download the composer. The composer is simply the manager, package manager. Whatever files you require to run Laravel, this file you will get with the help of composer. You just have to type some command on the command prompt, and immediately the files which is required to run Laravel gets opened. Now I'm going to install this file. You just have to click run. Before that, make sure you have your PHP in this machine. I have previously downloaded AMP, which is like XAMPP or WAMP. It has PHP inside it. So while installing, it is just going to ask where is your PHP file. That's it. Just click on next, next. Yeah, this is the place where it is going to ask where is your PHP. Right now I have already installed this, that's why it detected the PHP place, or else you have to manually give it. It will take some time. I'm going to pause it. This time it is going to ask proxy URL. You're going to skip it, click on next, and again I'm going to pause it. And finally the composer is done. Now it says you have to open a command prompt and type composer. Now I'm going to do it. To finish, press Ctrl R, which will open run, and type cmd. Inside the cmd it asked us to run the command composer. It is going to take some time. Once it is done, it will show you this way that if you get this symbol, the composer, that means you have installed it. Now I'm going to download the files of Laravel which is required to run my Laravel project. So what you're going to do is you're going to the official doc. As you can see, scroll down a bit, you will get this line of code. Just copy it and paste it. In place of blog, just write first underscore project. Just copy it, and before you create, make sure you are in the right directory. What do I mean by that? I have already installed XAMPP, and inside the XAMPP, sorry, it's not XAMPP, it's AMP. I have a AMP which will have www folder. Inside the www folder I'm going to create this project. So cd cd now cd program files, enter cd amp cd www. It is not inside. ls c to open the folder. window E, it is going to open File Explorer. Once you see File Explorer, just get into the C, and inside C we have program files 32-bit, and inside that we have AMP. We are going to locate www folder. Yep, we have cd www tab, it's there. Let's check what's inside www. And yes, here is where we are going to install our Laravel folder or download our Laravel folder. I just cleared it. If you want to clear the screen, you can write cls. Now right click, paste it and press enter. This will take, but it will download all the necessary folder required to run Laravel. I'm going to pause this video. Once it's done, I'll show you how to run the project. Fine. And after 25 minutes, I have installed all the required files for loading Laravel, which is done by a single command which I have previously run. Now, if you check the folder inside the www, the command prompt by itself created the folder which is of 32 MB size. If I open it, these are the files which will run your Laravel. Fine. Now to run the Laravel, you would be using the command php. Sorry, you have to get into the folder first and run the command php artisan serve. Now this composer will create a local host which is on the port 8000. Now if you type localhost or 127.0.0.1 and enter, you will see welcome to Laravel screen. If you see this screen, your wait a second, seems to be a problem. If you see Laravel screen, that means you have 100% completed installation of Laravel. It is just 8000. Run it. This time it will load welcome to Laravel. Yep. Thank you so much for listening. Meet you in the next